Hey everyone! Welcome back to Offbeat Wanderlust today. We're diving into the top 10 unforgettable experiences you absolutely can't miss when visiting Seattle. All the links to the tours and activities we discuss are in the description below. If you enjoy the content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel tips and adventures. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss number 1. Alright, let's kick things off at the legendary Pike Place Market. This place is an explosion of sights, sounds, and smells in the best way possible. You've got street performers, colorful flowers, fresh produce, and of course, the famous fishmongers. Seriously, these guys are like performers, tossing those giant salmon through the air like it's nothing. Make sure your camera is ready because you gotta catch that shot. Duck into the maze of little shops and stalls underneath. Vintage clothing, handmade jewelry, quirky souvenirs. You'll find it all here. Trust me, you'll want to soak up every minute of this Seattle icon. Mopop has something for you. You can't come to Seattle without experiencing the coffee culture. This city is practically fueled by caffeine, and trust me, you'll want to be too. Forget your Starbucks. We're talking about independent coffee shops with serious brewing game. For a true deep dive, take a coffee walking tour. You'll discover hidden gems, learn about different brewing methods, and sample some of the best coffee in the world. From creamy lattes to pour-overs that'll rock your world, get ready for a caffeine overload in the best way possible. These local shops are often hubs of creativity, with local art on the walls and a buzzing atmosphere. Grab a cup, soak up the vibes, and maybe even strike up a conversation with a fellow coffee enthusiast. Time to switch gears and get out on the water. A tall ship harbor cruise is hands down one of the best ways to experience Seattle's stunning waterfront. Imagine this: the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and breathtaking views of the city skyline, the majestic Mount Rainier in the distance. It's the kind of experience that makes you want to grab your phone and take a million pictures. But honestly, put the phone down for a second and just soak it all in. Listen to the sound of the waves crashing against the boat. Feel the spray of the sea air on your skin. These cruises often have knowledgeable guides who'll share fascinating stories about Seattle's maritime history and iconic landmarks. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a landlubber at heart, a tall ship harbor cruise is an experience you won't forget. Ready to uncover a different side of Seattle? Then get ready to delve beneath the surface on a guided underground walking tour. This is your chance to explore the city's hidden history, literally. You'll walk through subterranean passageways, remnants of Seattle's original streets before the Great Fire of 1889. It's like stepping back in time, with the guide painting a vivid picture of what life was like back then. Hear tales of the city's pioneers, the challenges they faced, and the resilience that built Seattle into the vibrant city it is today. You'll see old storefronts, forgotten sidewalks, and maybe even hear a ghost story or two. These tours are a fascinating glimpse into Seattle's past. A reminder that beneath the modern facade lies a rich and often tumultuous history. So, grab your flashlight and your sense of adventure, and get ready to uncover the secrets buried beneath Seattle's streets. Time to trade the cityscapes for some serious natural beauty. A day trip to Mount Rainier National Park is non-negotiable. We're talking about towering glaciers, wildflower meadows, and forests so lush they look like something out of a fairy tale. For the adventurous souls, I highly recommend a hiking trip. Lace up those boots, pack plenty of water, and get ready to be blown away by the raw, untamed beauty of the Pacific Northwest. Imagine hiking past waterfalls that cascade down moss-covered cliffs, spotting marmots basking in the sun, and feeling dwarfed by ancient trees that have stood for centuries. From the summit of a peak, you'll be rewarded with panoramic vistas of the surrounding mountains, valleys, and maybe even catch a glimpse of the iconic Mount Rainier itself. It's a challenging hike, no doubt, but the reward is more than worth it. Time to get high. No, not like that. I mean on the Seattle Great Wheel. This isn't your average Ferris wheel, folks. We're talking about one of the tallest Ferris wheels on the West Coast, offering jaw-dropping panoramic views of the city and beyond. Step into one of the enclosed gondolas. Buckle up and get ready to soar above the city streets. On a clear day, you can see for miles, spotting iconic landmarks like the Space Needle, the Olympic Mountains, and even Mount Rainier in the distance. It's a photographer's dream come true, with every angle offering a new, breathtaking perspective. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a Seattle veteran, a ride on the Great Wheel is a must. Now, for a change of pace, let's head to Alki Beach, where the city meets the sea. This is where locals and tourists alike come to relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy the laid-back vibes. Stroll along the sandy shore, feel the sand between your toes, and breathe in that fresh, salty air. It's the perfect antidote to a busy day of sightseeing. Grab an ice cream cone, rent a bike, or just find a spot to sit and watch the boats go by. As the sun begins to set, Alki Beach transforms into something truly magical. The sky explodes in a riot of colors, casting a warm glow over the city skyline. And as the last rays of sunlight fade, the city lights begin to twinkle, creating a dazzling spectacle that reflects on the water. And finally, no trip to Seattle is complete without a visit to the Seattle Art Museum, or SAM as it's affectionately known. Even if you don't consider yourself a huge art buff, trust me, this place has something for everyone. From ancient artifacts to contemporary masterpieces, SAM's collection spans centuries and cultures. Wander through galleries filled with paintings, sculptures, photographs, and installations that will challenge, inspire, and maybe even leave you speechless. Take your time, observe the details, and let yourself get lost in the world of art. And hey, if modern art isn't your thing, SAM also boasts an impressive collection of Native American art, Asian art, and European paintings. Afterward, grab a coffee at the museum cafe, or relax in the sculpture park overlooking the water. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this list of unforgettable experiences in Seattle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. See you in the next video.